Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and find OTG. And all you have to do is to tap on this switcher, and from now on the OTG connection is turned on. Be aware, because if you've got this option grayed out, it means that you've got your charger cable plugged in, so be sure to remove it and then you will be able to freely turn it on and off. Obviously, if you wish to turn it off, you can simply tap on the switcher again, or you can just wait 10 minutes, because as you can see, we've got this information that this option will be turned off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.